Imagine cancer as a schemer plotting its next big move, quietly preparing to break out of its original hiding place in the colon. For a while, it's limited, trapped by the body's defenses and the natural order of cell growth and repair. But lurking in the background are sugar-sweetened drinks, sodas, energy drinks, sweet teas, seemingly harmless refreshments that, according to new research in Nature Metabolism, can become secret accomplices to cancer's plot. This study reveals that when we consume both fructose and glucose together, as we do in these drinks, cancer cells gain a powerful metabolic edge that helps them not just survive but spread. The scientists discovered that this sugar combination activates a key metabolic pathway involving the enzyme SORD, which transforms the sugars into usable energy and raw materials that cancer cells eagerly take up. It's like the drinks are sliding envelopes of cash under the table, quietly financing cancer's expansion plans. Glucose floods the cell with immediate energy, powering its growth machinery, while fructose funnels into pathways that provide building blocks for new cell membranes and proteins. Together, they allow cancer cells to become more mobile and aggressive, capable of traveling through the bloodstream and colonizing distant tissues, the process known as metastasis. But far from being a hopeless scenario, this discovery is actually a game changer. For years, scientists have known that diet and cancer are connected, but this study gives us a precise mechanism to focus on. It means there's now a tangible target for developing therapies. Block the way cancer cells process fructose and glucose, and you can potentially starve their ability to spread. This is where the optimism shines through. Future treatments could be designed to specifically shut down SORD or related metabolic routes, cutting off cancer's silent partners without harming the body's normal cells. This would represent a big leap toward therapies that are both more effective and less toxic than conventional chemotherapy. It's also empowering on a personal level. We can't control every factor in cancer development, but we can influence what we consume. Knowing that sugary drinks are not just extra calories, but potential enablers of cancer progression reframes the decision to cut back. It's no longer just about weight management or blood sugar control. It's about creating a biological environment that makes it harder for cancer to get away with its plans. Even modest reductions in sugary beverage intake could lower the support network that cancer cells rely on, keeping them contained and less dangerous. What makes this research so hopeful is the sense of agency it gives. It turns sugar from a vague health risk into a specific, actionable factor. Instead of feeling powerless against the threat of cancer, we gain a lever to tilt the odds in our favor. And because this is just one piece of a growing puzzle about metabolism and cancer, it also points toward a future where diet and medicine are integrated into a comprehensive strategy to stop metastasis before it starts. So yes, sugar drinks may have been silent partners in cancer spread, but they no longer get to act in secret. Science has caught them in the act, and now we can make choices, individually and medically, to break up that dangerous alliance. This is a story not of despair, but of progress. The more we uncover about how cancer operates, the more ways we find to outsmart it. And that means a future where fewer people face the danger of metastasis, and more can live healthy, long lives.